Welcome back. It's Trevor from Lila Auto. I just thought I'd give you guys a little update on what's been going on here lately. I've been crazy busy, and it's been really hard to, as I've learned, to film things and still trying to make a productive day out of myself where I get something done in a timely fashion. And of course, everybody wants to drive by. Sorry, this camera's a little blurry. I'm working on getting some better camera equipment. Gonna get a better system. What? Yeah, there's deer up there in the field. Plus, I have had both of my kids for the last 3 weeks at the shop with me because COVID things. So it's been a challenging 2 weeks, and I've been just trying to get stuff done, and holding a camera and getting things done is impossible almost. So I'm going to take you on a little tour here and show you a little bit of what we got coming up. First of all, I don't know if you can see this, but this is a buddy of mine's race car. We're going to do some work to that. We got some suspension parts and stuff, training mount we're going to work on there. I have both of my Alice's over there. The Ford on the end is done, but I'm going to give you guys a little overview of what we did on that. In the garage in the corner, there's a Yamaha four-wheeler that we're going to work on. We got a Husqvarna tractor out here and a zero turn out there that needs work. My pickup needs work. Let's see what we got else. What else we got around here? We've been in the process of moving wood stoves around. I'm putting in a new wood boiler for the house here at the garage where my mom lives. We got some, this is that little Ford NAA tractor that we worked on. We converted that all over to 12 volt from the 6 volt. Works really good. Buddy Steve's race car. Might see some stuff on that here in a little bit. And this project. This is a trailer project. It's got a broken axle, and somehow I got myself into fixing these axles, and he just brought some tubing, and that's not gonna work. I told him it needed to be 2-inch ID, not 2-inch OD. Oh, joys, working on stuff. So he did not want to go and get regular new axles for this trailer, so he bought used axles that are too short, and it's just been one thing after another. It's been here for 3 months, and we've been trying to get going on it, and I wonder if that's not what he wanted to do with the butts and the plates. Oh, I don't want to do that. That's sketchy. And that axle's bent. I don't even want to work on this thing now. There's some jobs that come in that I think are going to be easy, and then they turn into stuff that I just should have said no on. And I think this is going to be one of them. This is going to be one of those things where there comes a point where you don't want to put your name on it. And I don't get me wrong, I like to help the guy out, but he's going to have way more money in making 2 junk axles work versus buying 2 new, complete, ready to go bolt-in axles that are supposed to be in it with brakes. I know, it's getting cold out here. It's another thing we've been working on, huh? Is keeping warm. You cold too? Well, go get your coat. But I'm going to give you guys a little update. There might be a Will It Run coming on this little Hyundai here. This thing's been sitting here for 3 years now. It's been sitting here long enough that it rotted out. Because when we parked it here, there was no rust on these rockers, and these rockers are completely gone now. So this was actually a pretty nice little car when we parked it here. And now it's not so much. But there was absolutely nothing wrong with it when we parked it, honestly. My sister went and bought a new car, and that was her old car, and she parked it, and that's where it's set for 3 years. So I might try and get that thing running and moving and out of there. I'm trying to clean up around here a little bit before snow flies, and we got a camper to move up there. That's got to go out in the storage lot on the other side. My camper is actually down to my grandfather's, and that's got to come up here and be put on the storage lot. So we got garage to clean up in here, the mud truck. This is going to be a project. I've been working on this off camera. I've been trying to get it to a point where I can start it and drive it out so I can have my bay back. And doing anything with children is nearly impossible. But stay tuned, guys. There's more stuff coming, I promise. I'm trying to get a way of recording all this stuff and get the software and stuff to edit and get some decent camera gear to make some decent quality videos for you guys to watch, because I spend an abundant amount of time on YouTube, probably more time than I should, and I like watching YouTube videos, and I want to make quality content for you guys to like too. I know it's cold. I'm sorry. Tell this guy to warm up. But it's late. The time change is screwed with everybody. It is 4:15, and we are going to get ready to go home and eat some supper. So we've been here for a while trying to get some stuff done. We will see you guys later.